members of the diplomatic corps, the CEO PGA of Australia, Mr. Gavin Kirkman, Managing Director of Sports Entertainment Limited, herself, Mr. Basil Scafidi, I hope I'm right, industry partners, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to be here in this evening event, which the fifth Fiji International. The Fiji government is proud of the success of the Fiji International over the past 4 years. The tournament has achieved its purpose of globally positioning and marketing Fiji. The international broadcast has reached key and emerging Asian and European markets. These are the markets that are important to Fiji's growth, especially with the tournament being tri-sanctioned by PGA Tour of Australia, European Tour, and lately the Asian Tour. This has positioned Fiji well in our emerging tourism markets. Ladies and gentlemen, year on year, there have been significant growth in the number of broadcast hours and broadcasts globally. Testament to the success of the event is the fact that broadcasters around the world are now showing more of the Fiji International tournament on the channels. Global broadcast hours have tripled since 2014. In 2017, it reached more than 560 million households, with a similar reach forecast for this year's tournament. Over the past 4 years, the media exposure to Fiji International and Fiji is worth more than Fiji dollars of 72 million. The economic benefits have been approximately 68 million and direct spend back into the economy of more than 2 million over the past 4 tournaments. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji International has accomplished all the objectives that we set out to achieve. It has positioned Fiji an international destination for sporting events and raised Fiji's the brand profile in the key target markets. The exposure Fiji received from hosting the Fiji International is far greater than the investment we put in. Fiji is now a sought-after destination for sporting events such as rugby league, surfing, ultra marathon, and many more. The Fijian government has also worked closely with PGA on targeting top players from Fiji's tourism market. This year we have confirmed players from Australia, New Zealand, China, and India, who are ranked amongst the top 10 in their respective countries, as well as representation from Japan, Korea, the USA, among other countries. We have also have 3 out of the top 7 players from China, Hu Hakshun, Xiao Bohen, and Liu Anwei, and 3 out of the top 5 from India. Players like Ganjit Bula, Shiv Kapoor, and Ajit Sandhu in attendance this week. Ladies and gentlemen, we always, with pride, welcome back Fiji's own Vijay Singh for the Fiji International. The tournament would be incomplete without Vijay Singh, and we look forward to another exciting round of competition this week. The Fiji International is part of the Fiji government's overall tourism strategy to focus on increasing yield. In line with our presidency of COP23, the Fijian government focus is on developing a sustainable tourism sector for our nation's future. Ensuring we attracted high-yielding niche business to our shores will ensure we control our industry carbon footprints and its negative effects on our natural resources and our home. Therefore, by targeting golf, we are targeting high-end spenders. And the average spend of a golfer is around $3,000 US, which it's converted to a minimum of about Fiji dollar of 5,000 per golfer. This is approximately double the spending by mainstream visitors. The Fiji International has been a contributor to the strong growth of tourism statistics over recent years. According to Fiji Bureau of Statistics, revenues have increased by 27%, earnings up by 36%, and improvement in the employment ratio within the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, special tribute to Fiji Airways for coming on board as the presenting partner of the Fiji International this year. All throughout the year, this is the 4th year that the Fiji Airways has been supporting the Fiji International, but this year they became the presenting partner, which is a significant step to this tournament. This tournament would have been possible without all our industry partners. A total of 22 sponsors, including Fiji Airways, have been confirmed for this year's tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the benefits are not just in terms of money spent at International or Natandola Golf Club, but all other services and products that are used during the tournament period. Local residents from Natandola are employed. Visitors purchase local produce, products and handicraft. In all of Fiji benefits from the Fiji International, either indirectly or directly. Ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to this year's Fiji International being bigger and better. I wish to all the players well in the tournament and hope for excellent weather for the tournament.